Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to edit checkout page on Shopify. A good checkout page is very important as that's the final page, or better yet the final step for getting a customer to finally do a purchase. So it is very important that it is detailed and to your liking, that you think that it will increase your chances of getting a sale. So to edit the checkout page, all you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to select online store. After selecting online store, you will see the themes page, and right below the theme that you are using, you are going to tap on customize. After selecting customize, you will be redirected to this page, and from here I want you to go up to the top of the page, and right where you see home page, you are going to tap on that and you are going to select checkout. After selecting checkout, you will be redirected to your checkout page and you will be able to see how it looks. As you can see right here, this is my checkout page at the moment. And to make changes to your checkout page, all you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you are going to tap right where you see theme settings. So you are going to tap right where you see the paintbrush right here, and after selecting the paintbrush, what I want you to do next, you are going to scroll down. So just scroll down and you will see the option checkout. You are going to tap on that, then you will scroll down a bit more, and after scrolling down you will see the option banner. So from here you'll be able to select a banner image. So you could select image or you could explore one of the free images. For this example, I'll explore one of the free images. So you can see there are numerous categories you can choose from. It all depends on what type of Shopify store you have. So for this example, I'll select one, work from home. After doing that, you can select the banner that you would like to use. So for example, this banner right here, you can tap on the banner. And once you have selected the banner, you will see it at the top of the page. As you can see right here, this is how the banner will look. And once you have found a banner to your liking, you can simply tap on select. So let me see this banner right here. Let me see how it looks. Then I'll tap on select at the bottom of the page. After you have selected the banner, what you're going to do next is you're going to scroll down, and from here you'll see logo. So you'll be able to add your logo, as this will increase your credibility to potential customers. So you can tap on select image to upload an image, or you could select explore free images to choose one. So I'll select explore free images, and again I'm going to select work from home, as that's the theme that I'm going with at the moment. And from here, let me select a logo that I would like to use. So let's say, for example, this one right here. Let me see how this logo will look. So I'll tap on that logo. After you have selected the logo, you're going to tap on select at the bottom of the page. And by the way, a good website to create logos is Canva. As with Canva, you'll be able to create a logo, a good looking logo, for completely free. And also by tapping on edit right where you see logo, from here you'll be able to add a focal point if you want. So you could tap on add focal point, then you will see the option drag to adjust focal point. So if there's a focal point in your logo that you would like to draw more attention to, you can draw the attention by tapping on drag to focal point. Then you will tap on save and give it a few seconds so I can show you how it looks once it reloads. As you can see right here, you can see my logo right here. And then you'll scroll down and you can also change the position. So if instead you want it to the right, you could tap on right. Or if you want your logo in the center, you could tap on center right there. And you can also change the logo size. As you can see here, at the moment it is currently medium. So if you would want it to be small, you could tap on small, as you can see right there. Or if you want a large logo, you could tap on large. But I like it at medium, and I also like it to the left, so I'll put it to the left. Then you'll see main content area, and from here you'll be able to change your background image. So instead of it just having this gray image at the back, I'll change the image by tapping on explore free images. Then I'm going to scroll down, and for this example, let's say I select work from home again. Then for the background image, I'll select something random, for example this image right here. After you have selected an image that you would like, as you can see there, the background image is changing. You'll simply tap on select and give it a few seconds to see the changes, as you can see right there. Once the image is to your liking, all you have to do now is scroll down, and from here you can change the background color if you want by tapping right there. So instead of changing the image, I could have changed the color only. So I could have selected a color. So let's say, for example, let me remove this image. Let me show you what I mean. So I'll tap on edit, and let me remove this image real quick. Tap on change and remove image. I've removed the image. Now let me show you what a difference the color would make. So background color right here, and let's say I selected this color right there. Once you have selected the color, you can scroll down and you will see recently selected. You could tap on that, or that one right there. I'll select that color and I will leave it as is. Then you will see form white lines, and I'll select transparent. Then also you can scroll down and you will see background color again. You will tap right there, and from here you can select the color that you would like the background to be again. Then you will scroll down. So let's say, for example, I select blue. You can see the background color. Just give it a few seconds. It will load up and change. Let me tap on save and see if the background color changes. Give it a few seconds. Well, I don't see a change in the background color after selecting them. So what I'll do, I'll go back to the image. I'll explore one of the free images and simply select one of those, as I don't see a change when I select a background color change. So I'll go back and I'll select one of these random images as the background image, just for example's sake. And as I said, you'll be able to upload your own image for the background if you want. So I'll select that image as the background. Then I'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then give it a few seconds, and it normally would change. Just give it a few seconds. And by the way, you'll see checkout settings. You can also change that by tapping on visit the admin. And let me show you how to do some changes to your checkout settings. And you can see that at the moment I'm on the checkout page. You don't have to select this option, as it will carry us back to the page that we were currently on. But from here you'll see select what contact method customers use to check out. So at the moment I require phone number or email. If you would like to require only email, you could tap on email. And also you can scroll down and you will see show link to download the shop app. You can select that or you can unselect it. And you can also require the customer to log in to their account before checking out. So you could tap on that if you want. And also once it comes to customer information, you can choose whether you want the full name or only require their last name. And you can also see right here company name, don't include or optional if you want. And you can also select address if you would like the address line 2 to be added. And you will see shipping address, phone number. You can select if you want that. And also if you want to accept tips, you could tap on show tipping right here. Then you'll be able to set the percentage that you would like. So if you want to accept tips on your Shopify store, you can tap on tips and you'll be able to do that. And if I were to scroll down more, you can see order processing. While the customer is checking out, use the shipping address as the billing address by default. So you'll leave these as is. After an order has been paid, you'll leave all of these as is. And once you're finished, you'll tap on save. And if you wanted to change the checkout language, you can also do that. Right where you see manage checkout language, you could tap on that. And from here, you'll be able to change the default language. At the moment, you can see that mine is English, but if you wanted to change the checkout language, you could. And also if you wanted to make any more changes. So for example, if you wanted to change the checkout page title, instead of it being called checkout page, you could add a title right here that you would like to use. So you could add it and you could change it to anything. Also the pay now button, if you would like to change that from pay now to something else, you could add it right where you see pay now button label. You could add it right there. And all of the changes that you make on this page will affect the checkout page. So you can change it from cart. You have numerous other options on how you can edit the checkout page. As you can see right here, continue to payment. You could change this text. You can also change the text continue to shipping. And you can change all of these texts if you want. And once you're finished doing your changes, you'll simply tap on save, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.